Guys, why is the Wishless Dynamic is now Robux and the old Dynamic set is Robux? What happened to the shop? It's free at 2019. What happened? It just a trouble or anything else? Why Roblox is disappeared the free, the headless, faceless dynamic head, and then the cat head, and then the witch head accessories, which now disappeared. What happened, Roblox? Please back to the free head, please, Roblox. When you do not back, I delete my Roblox. Sorry.